Hey guys, what's going on? This is the Diecast Collector and I'm back with a new video of unboxing of a Hot Wheels car. This car is my favorite one because it's from the movie which I love a lot, Fast and the Furious, and it is Vin Diesel's car, whom I love a lot. This is the Ice Charger. This is a Dodge Charger. Sorry, not the Ice Charger. It's from the Fast and Furious 7 movie. The Ice Charger was in 8. We have a Hot Wheels version of it. This is the Dodge Charger. It is a 7 Fast and Furious 7 from the 7th part. I guess you will be remembering the plane scene where they try to catch, sorry, not try to catch, they try to find out Ramsey on the mountain tops. So Vin Diesel uses this car to jump off the plane. This car was very admired because apart from the muscle cars, which were similar in all of the Fast and Furious movie series, this one had some nice modifications on it. So this car, it's from the Hot Wheels Creed time. It is fourth of the 10 collectibles Fast and Furious movie 70 Dodge Charger. Behind this we have some instructions on adding this collection to the website by entering the code. We have this code, and we also have a special move for this car. The packaging, we had the Baja Holler. In that too, we had this type of image where they are shown that the lid opens up. So there must be some movements in this car. So let's open this car. I really happy with this car. I love it a lot. And if you too like this car, then leave a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. So let's open this up. Right. Wow, here we go. We have the Dodge Charger, Vin Diesel's Dodge Charger. All right, so this car is really good. Sorry for my camera focus. All right, so this car is really good. I like the black. Oh, I did not see this. I guess you guys can see this too. All right, so we have this open sunroof over here. All right, this is really nice. Yes, I remember the scene where Vin Diesel shoots a harpoon on the backside of the truck to open the lid. I guess that harpoon was fitted somewhere here. This nice tire that does not move. That's bad. All right, this car is really good. It's thin at the bottom and got this monster wheels. The wheels are red color chromed. There are not much graphics, but this car is different from other cars. It got its own design, it got its own admiration. We have this red color at the back. There are no such graphics on the tail light, but still this car is really good. This one is nice. I don't see most of the cars with this open sunroof. So let's talk about the modification. Um, I don't know what it's given. Let's see the package. All right, so here it is given that um, one tire is up from the ground and the other one is lower. And this is the front part absolutely. See this frame. So I think one goes down and one goes up, something like that. I'm not able to crack this logic out. Alright, the wheels don't go inside. Let me use my engineering mind and check this out. Um, is there something to open? No, this is locked inside. I guess there is no such movement, but it's odd because if they have given that image, then there must be some sort of movement, right? We'll see it afterwards. So let's get to the bonnet. On the bonnet, if you can see, let me turn on the light of the camera. All right, as you can see, We have this design, this cuts in on the bonnet and the front rim. It is matte metal gray, metal gun color. The interior too is of metal gray, the same as of this. You can see the seats inside. There we go. It's clear, and this car is really neat. It's The makers made it very nicely. It absolutely resembles the car from the movie. So I'll put another video of this thing, what this picture tells us. And there we go. We have the DOS charger from the Fast and Furious movie, Vin Diesel's car. If you like this car too, then please leave a thumbs up and comment down below. And do check out my other videos too of unboxing Hot Wheel cars. And that's it. Please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And thank you for watching.